If your gratitude lists aren't working, here's something to try instead. Yeah. I want you to choose just one thing, just one. Yeah. Maybe something small, but something real. Yeah. Like the smell of your coffee in the morning, or the sound of your child's laughter, or the sunlight on the kitchen floor. Then get your energy into your body and ask, what would my life be like without this thing in it? How did this moment find its way to me? Or what does my body feel when I really let myself notice this? You're not trying to force a feeling, you're creating space to receive it. Because even that small intention tells your brain that it is safe, that you're allowed to feel this way. And in that one moment of presence, that's when everything starts to change.